It's 6:42, and as more kids go back to school this year, parents, it's up to us. We have the choice of whether our kids wear masks, but right now, school districts do not have the choice on whether to mandate. So joining us right now, Superintendent of Public Instruction here in Arizona, Kathy Hoffman. Thank you for being here. We want to get right to these current COVID numbers. Do you believe the kids should be masking up?
I absolutely think that our schools, our students, our families should all be looking to the CDC for guidance to make sure that we're following the science and using every tool in our toolbox to protect our communities from the spread of COVID-19. So yes, at this time with the CDC recommending that everyone in our schools wear a mask regardless of vaccine status, I do encourage all of our families to be adhering to these recommendations.
Okay, we know that there have been really some conflicting ideas between the governor and also the Department of Public Health and the CDC. Last year, we did see some districts with remote learning, some in person. If the governor were to allow mandates here, do you feel that there should be a blanket policy for all schools or each district to decide on its own?
I do think the authority should be given back to the local school districts to make that decision. That's what has been the recommendation all along, is for our school leaders to work with their local county public health experts to look at the local data to determine what is the severity of the spread of COVID-19 in their communities, and then determine what policies are most effective. Again, having layered mitigation strategies, so masking, vaccines, social distancing, all of these are tools in the toolbox. And right now, the school leaders have their hands tied by the laws that were put into place by the legislature and by the governor, where they cannot implement all of the policies that they need to keep their communities safe.
Well, and for people who don't know, you are a former teacher. I think that's important to note here. You've been in the classroom, you know what it's like to be with kids on a daily basis. But with masks being voluntary right now, I mean, we know they're mandated on buses, but they get to school, they get the choice, the kids we're talking about. The daily case numbers are going up consistently every day and have been for the past couple of weeks. Would you recommend that all educators wear a mask at work?
At this time, I would, because that is the recommendation of the CDC and the public health experts. And also, having worked in special education when I was a teacher and educator, I really worry about those medically fragile kids or kids with asthma, all of the children who are under 12 who have not had the opportunity to get the vaccine yet. That's where my concern and my worry is. That's what's keeping me up at night, is how are we as a community protecting those who are most vulnerable?
And the governor has said his worry and concern has been about potential discrimination. So the Arizona Department of Education has been reporting that enrollment dropped by 38,000 kids last year. That's a lot of kids. Are there concerns right now that the numbers could drop again, or do you think that students are getting back to public school this year? Are you seeing the numbers?
Right now, it's a mix. So I actually had the opportunity to do a school visit a couple days ago in Casa Grande. They shared with me that their enrollment numbers did significantly drop last year. They're seeing those numbers go right back to where they were pre-pandemic. But then they said in the last week or so, more of their families were asking and inquiring about their online options. So I do think we are seeing a return to in-person learning. Everyone's really excited about starting the new school year strong. But now with the Delta variant and with so many kids not being able to get the vaccine and all these concerns about the increase in COVID numbers, we are hearing that families are seeking other options, including online options.
All right. Always a pleasure to see you. Always appreciate having you here on ABC 15 Mornings.
Thank you so much.
Superintendent of Public Instruction, Kathy Hoffman. Thank you.